kawalang
Leo de Pila, founded 1947. So, ito po yung simbahan.
Ibang-iba ang magiging larawan ng kaya. Ang kamas sa pananampalataya ay hindi mag. Nagsimula tayong lahat sa Diyos at sa huli sa Kanya at ang para kami ng naglalakon at
Ito yung Pila Church,
para ito.
Diocese of San Pablo, Pila Church. On the 9th of July, the year of our Lord 2002, in the 23rd year of the pontificate of His Holiness Pope John Paul II, this parish church of Pila was declared Diocesan Cyril of St. Anthony of Padua by His Excellency Most Reverend Francis C. San Diego the Bishop of San Pablo, in the presence of His Eminence Ricardo Cardinal Vidal, son of Pila and Archbishop of Cebu, the incumbent parish priest Reverend Father Melchor A. Larcenas, and the people of this blessed town. Yes.
Kaya sinabi sa Biblia, ang lifespan ng isang tao is 70 and 80 for those who are strong. Malamang ito siya sa isang malakas na tao, isang matatag na tao. Ng mga nawawala, naniniwala ako na si Antonio ay hindi mawawala sapagkat ang Diyos at ang ating kahit nararamdaman